Hi, this is Luke Arthod with the PCT North America team, and in this video I will show you how to use the Strip Trial Analytics tool. Begin by selecting the Strip Trial tab and ensuring that you have the correct field selected. Then select a layer. In this example we are using a Strip Trial template layer that has already been created. You can select more than one layer. Then click Run Analysis. By clicking the Edit button, you can edit the zones, and you can add strip trials. You can add names for each of the strips. If you don't add names for the strips, they will display as one continuous block. If you have a zone that you would like to not be displayed, such as this large background zone, simply type ignore in the name box and click OK. You can compare the strip trials to yield or imagery by selecting a layer below. Additional layers can be added as well. You can enter prices to run cost analyses. By selecting products, you can also enter product costs. You can save the map as a layer and print the report.